all gifts below 1000. Isn't that exciting? What's up you guys? I hope you all are safe and fine. This is Hinanshi and welcome back to my channel. Da-da-da-da-da. So guys, first of all, thanks a lot for showing so much of love on Gifts for Him Part 1. That's the reason I'm here today with another video, which is again obviously for Gifts for Him Part 2. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all 7 products and I'm going to recommend you all a few more products and alternatives that you all can gift your father, boyfriend, brother or the him in your life, and they are definitely worth it. So I'm going to unbox each of them in front of you all and I'm going to show you all the gifts that I got personally. Also, all the links are going to be in the description box below, so if you all want to buy it, just tap on the link, put it in your cart and gift it to the person that you want to. So without wasting any much time, let's get started. And if you all haven't watched the Gifts for Him Part 1, do watch it. I'm going to put the link in the description box. So the first one is Mumbai Indians t-shirt. If your brother or your boyfriend is a huge fan, avoid the background noise, is a huge fan of Mumbai Indians, then you all should definitely go for this because it's very nice and it's just for 1000 rupees. It's from the Soul Store brand and the best part is that you all have it available for females also. So this is mine and this one's for my brother. And the best part is they have t-shirts for CSK, Rajasthan Royals, so whatever your brother or your guy's favorite team is, you all can buy him that particular t-shirt, and they have a variety in every team. The IPL is still there, so why not get a nice t-shirt for yourself, your brother, your partner, your dad, and sit together and watch IPL together, guys. The second one is this beautiful track pant which is from Amazon. The brand is Alan Jones. This track pant is just for 600 rupees. Like the original price of the track pant is 1300, but I just got it for 600 because of the discounts going on. They have a lot of colors and the best part is it is Amazon's best seller. Like it has more than I think 6,500 reviews on Amazon. It's pretty good, it's worth the price. The material is 60% cotton and 40% polyester. It's a slim fit track pant. I think it's pretty worth because it's just for 600 and it's like casual wear. You can buy this. The third one is this cute little perfume. So basically this is from Beverly Hills Polo Club. It has 2 pocket perfumes inside it. They are 20 ml each, which makes it 40 ml in all. So there are different colors in this. This one's blue and white. There is one red and black color available on Amazon. This is for 300, but I got it for 272 rupees on a discount. It's a pocket perfume. You can carry it anywhere. It's worth it because it's just 270 rupees. The smell is like a woody floral smell. It's kind of unisex, so even girls can use it. But I think it's a very good gift. So yeah, you all should check it out. Cute, nah? Right? Thanks. Next product is this amazing. This is I think my favorite out of all. T-shirt. The brand Soul Store itself is my favorite, I feel. Is this t-shirt from Soul Store, which is originally for 1000 rupees, but I got it for 620 because there's a discount on Amazon. And it's a normal casual t-shirt which is 100% cotton. And there's a writing which says, if you can read this, you are too close. The colors are very nice. It's a casual t-shirt and I mean it looks good, right? I think it's a very good gift. It's worth it and yeah. The next product is this Axe Men's Grooming Kit, which is originally for 580 rupees, but I got it for 455 because of the discount on Amazon again. Let's see how the kit is. It has one aftershave lotion which is 50 ml. It has another deodorant spray. Unfortunately, the product that I've received is damaged. This is 150 ml. The other thing is a body deodorant which is the Mysterious Tropical Green Fragrance, 122 ml. And the last one is the shaving cream with moisturizers which is 78 grams. So these are the products that I've received, and a free travel pouch kit which you can fit all of this in this. The thing that I'm not happy with is the way they have packed the product. One, the deodorant is damaged and I cannot use it. Another, the box of these products are also crumpled and not so neatly packed. But I think if you request a replace on Amazon, they will definitely replace it. Saying that the product is damaged, they'll replace it. Because I ordered this because one, it's for 455 rupees and it's providing all of these items. Another thing is because it has more than 2200 reviews, so I thought of ordering it. I'm just not happy with how the product is damaged in the packing. But if they replace it, then yeah, it's gonna be great, I feel. So guys, I spoke to the Amazon customer service regarding the Axe men's grooming kit. Apparently, this particular product is not eligible for returns. So there are two options that you all can do. You all can either get it replaced if the product is damaged, or what you all can tell them is that you all don't want a replacement. So what they're going to do for you all is they're going to send the whole money, that is like 455 rupees, in your account, and you don't even have to give back the product. So basically, if you're not satisfied with the product, you are not going to replace it obviously, but the product cannot be returned, so you get the cash back also. If you all don't want to go ahead with the product which is Axe men's grooming kit and gift your guys something similar to that, then you all can go ahead with something known as the Bombay Shaving Company facial charcoal kit. Now the best part is that this particular kit is just for 515 rupees. Apparently it's for 700, but because of the Amazon discount you're getting it in for 515 rupees. It contains a face wash, a peel off mask, a face scrub and a face pack. So basically 4 things in one. As you all can see, all these are the pictures, and trust me guys, it's a worth it product because I personally have gifted this to a lot of friends of mine, and it's really nice and affordable also. So any product of this company, trust me, it's amazing. This particular company products are just too good to give. I've showed one in my previous video, Gifts for Him Part 1 also, which was a body wash and face wash hamper. Again, that was amazing and that's what I use. Guys, an insider, watch the video till the end to see best of the recommendations that I've given that I personally want to order, but because they are not deliverable in my area, I'm not able to order. But trust me, the recommendations are way more good than the products that I've got. I mean, especially the bag. Oh, watch it till the end to see the bag. The next product is this nice cute color t-shirt from Amazon again, from the brand Allen Solly. This t-shirt is originally for 900 rupees, but I got it for 520 because it's having a huge discount on Amazon. The best part is that the t-shirt has more than 22,000 reviews, so I thought of ordering it. Let's see how it is. The material is cotton and polyester, like 60% cotton and 40% polyester. Oh, it's pretty good. I mean, and the best part is there are a lot of colors. I mean, there is black, blue, light blue, olive. So many colors, so many varieties. I personally went for this color. Yeah, it looks cool. It's like a polo neck t-shirt. So guys can wear this as a daily wear t-shirt and it's worth it. I mean, 520 rupees, it's pretty good. I personally liked it, and yeah, I would love to gift it to someone. which has a belt in it and also a wallet, as you all can see. It looks royal. Hornbull is one of the best sellers on Amazon. This particular belt and wallet, originally this hamper is for 3,200, but because of the huge discounts on Amazon, I just got it for 900 rupees, 902 rupees or something. Other thing is that if you all want different colors, they have a hell lot of variety and colors. You all can even buy only wallets for 400, 500 rupees. I particularly wanted to buy a blue one, but unfortunately it was not deliverable in my area. I think, yeah, it's worth it. So there is this blue duffel bag that I really wanted to order, but unfortunately it's not deliverable in my area right now. So there are two sizes, as you all can see, medium and large. Medium is for 800 rupees and large is for 1000 rupees. The actual price of medium is 3000. You're saving 2200. And these are the pictures. And the large one looks like this. And the best part is it's unisex. I personally loved the color and you know the look of the bag. Like, it's so cool. I am gonna order this as soon as it delivers in my area. This can be the perfect bag that I can take to Lonavala or Karjat or for a 2-day trip or just for time pass. So it's perfect because it's super worth. You also get a 1-year warranty. So again, this is one of the amazing products that I want to order for my friend, because he loves wearing chains. So as you can see, the silver one is for 400 rupees and the black one is for 275. Both look pretty good. Again, they're not deliverable in my area, so I couldn't order, but I must say that it's a very good thing if your guy or your friend likes a lot of chains and stuff like that. Yeah, it's reasonable and it's pretty good. I would go for the black one because black looks cool and suits on everything. But either way, both of them are pretty good. So Lens Cup mug is one of the best thing that you all can give to your friends because they can use it in their office, home, anywhere they want, and it looks really cool. So there are a lot of different types of cups which are available on Amazon for different rates. But I'm going to put a link of the one which is the best seller of Amazon, having 4,300 reviews, and it's just for 233 rupees. So, and it's a 350 ml black color camera lens shaped coffee mug. So yeah, I think it's pretty worth. I mean, 233 mein, it's going to be good. So again, US Polo t-shirt. This is one of a very good brand, highly recommended. There is a t-shirt in US Polo which is for 951 and they have a variety of colors. There are few t-shirts which are for 1500. The only difference I think is the logo, the size of the logo in the t-shirts. So the one which is for 1500 looks better because it comes out, the logo comes out, and there are really amazing colors. But in case if you all don't want to go ahead with the 1500 rupees t-shirt, then you all can go ahead with the one which is for 900 rupees. They again have a lot of colors in that and variety. And price will differ from the size you choose and the color you choose. So it's 100% cotton. If your guy is someone who loves to wear tank tops at night or when they go to Goa or something like that for holidays, then you all should check out this particular tank top, which is just for 370 rupees and ranges to 800 rupees depending again on the size and the color that you choose. The brand is Jockey and the material is amazing. I've ordered it once previously and I would highly recommend you all to buy this because I personally love this color, neon blue. But there are a lot of color options that you all can go ahead with. That's it guys. I hope you all liked the video. All the links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Look at my brother over here. It's gonna come in the video. And do not forget to hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.